Okay, here we are. The Americana, the former Americana Theater, which is now the Austin Public Library. The location and set for the freshman girl hazing scene in Dazed and Confused. Led by Parker Posey's character, Darla, I believe. Right there. This is me driving through. I just wanted to get a kind of a quick shot of just the, a drive-through shot, in and out. And then right here, there's this original sign. Of course, the library sign's underneath it. This is my attempt at an amateur crane shot, which is basically my camera up, extended as far as I could out from my tripod, standing up, reaching out in the sky, and kind of coming down. Did not have the effect that I intended, but what can you do? This is an awesome shot.
I just want you guys to know I feel for you now. I did it when I was a freshman and you're doing it also to do it. Now fry like bacon, you little freshman piggies! Fry! 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 Fry!
It's like a hairline fracture right there. What's that all about? What'd you do?
I went down it, boy. My boy Vinny was playing that ass out, boy. Hey, just get a little beat in there.
Here's to you, Ma.